Okay, welcome back to Simon Shares, talking today about home insurance. Why do we have home insurance? Well, the main reason we have it is for big catastrophes, fire in the house, impact onto the house, that kind of thing. So that's what we're insuring against. My renewal, £124. With a little bit of consideration and a little bit of a look, I've renewed at 64. So that's pretty much halved my renewal quote and made in the bargain 60 quid. First of all, I want to talk about the excess on your policy. The excess is how much you will put towards any damage or any incident that has occurred in your home. Yes, you probably knew that. And what you also know that is if you increase your excess, that will reduce your premium. And the chances of anything bad happening, we hope, impact on the house and fire, is pretty low. So having an higher excess will reduce your premium. But what we've also got in there is accidental damage protection. So we're covering for accidental damage. If something happens in your house, such as the telly falls off the wall, or you rip the carpet or stain the carpet, need to replace the carpet, need to replace the settee because you've spilt something on it or something like that. The cost of doing that is, depending on what it is, could be around £300, £400, maybe £500. If your excess on your policy with accidental damage is £350, you're going to pay that much towards it anyway. So is it worth insuring for that on the basis that if you were to claim on that, your premium is going to go sky high for absolutely everything, and you're going to lose out eventually. For things like that, low risk stuff, if you get a bad spill on your carpet, you can get somebody in and come and do it, and it'll probably be less than the £350. Also, chatting to the insurance guy at Direct Line was very, very good. And we were talking about such things as alarms on the property. And I was quite surprised that regardless of whether there's an alarm on the property or not, that's not really going to affect your premium. He did actually calculate for me, and it was 20 pence difference for the year, which is ridiculous, really. But the principal reason for that, and it's very sad, is that when the alarm goes off, people don't respond, and the alarm, as it was, doesn't work. We have an alarm on the house. I think it's important to have, but it's not going to significantly reduce your insurance. That is the message. Okay, and next one we have, how do we get that premium down from 124 down to 64? Well, first of all, taking off the accidental damage that we don't really need, because any calamities that are going on, say if we accidentally burn down the house, that is covered under the fire part of your premium. And equally, if you drive your car into your house, why you would do that, I don't know, but if you drive your car into your house, impact, that comes under the basic terms and is not necessary to have accidental damage for that. If you want to check exactly what you're covered for and whether it's really necessary, talk to your insurance company. I am not your financial advisor or your insurance advisor. I'm just passing on some of my experience and some of my knowledge that I've picked up. Okay, so taking off the accidental damage on my policy took it from 124 to 104. Correspondingly, I had been doing my confused.com, compare the meerkat and all that. And also the topcashback.co.uk. I had got a premium of 110 with cashback, taking it down to 80. But then when I took off the accidental damage on that, takes it down to 88 with £24 cashback, down to 64. And that's how we did it. Topcashback.co.uk. I've mentioned it before. Check it out. I'll put in the link in there, which gives me a little bit of a kickback if you sort of subscribe to Top Cashback to get your cashback. It's a good deal, and you should do it. So that's all your insurances, your home insurance, car insurance, van, holiday perhaps, landlord's insurance, all kinds of things like that you can get cash back on. And big purchases like sort of washing machines and that sort of stuff, they should be paying me really. But the only payment I will get is just sharing as a friend and getting £15 cash back, which I believe people who subscribe also get that as well. Okay, thank you. See you next time. Simon Shares.